Hey everyone, it's Chris. We are in the high tunnel today. Just going to check in to see how things are growing. We have had sub-zero temperatures. It's January 5th right now. We've pretty much been under the freezing mark since the day before Christmas, and I just wanted to check in and show you what we have growing and not growing here in the high tunnel and low tunnel. Let's see what survived the cold weather. So the carrots, they look not great. However, they are still alive. They're pretty much sitting in stasis below ground, waiting for the pitchfork to come and dig them up. And they're pretty much the same story for the parsnips. Parsnips are, they're doing just fine. The soil here is not actually frozen. It's pretty cold in the high tunnel, but it's not quite frozen yet. And so they're very protected here. They're doing fine. We'll probably be digging some up here shortly. Other crops, though, not doing so well. The bok choy is not looking so good, along with the Swiss chard, the broccoli, and even, sadly, our head lettuce didn't quite make it all the way. It has definitely some cold damage. Actually, it still looks pretty much alive. I think once things warm up, though, pretty much once they unfreeze, we're going to probably see them, a lot of cold damage on them. Some of them might even die completely. So in terms of the high tunnel, today, I think it's 9 degrees outside, and that's our high for today. It's only going to get colder. Our low tonight's going to be negative 12 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's going to be pretty cold. But it doesn't feel too bad right now. Actually, you know, it feels really good right now in the high tunnel. I'm not sure what the temperature is in here, but we do have a nice layer of ice on the inside of the tunnel. You know, I could scrape this off, but I'm just going to leave it on and hope it will help in some of the insulation here for tonight. We have a couple inches of snow on the ground, which I think has helped a little bit, hopefully insulate the low tunnel out there. So let's go check that out next. Now, normally because it's so cold out here, I probably wouldn't be taking the plastic off or opening anything up, just because I want to retain as much heat as possible, especially with the cold weather coming tonight. However, I just want to see what's going on in here. I have been out of town for the Christmas holiday, and so not really quite sure what's transpired under this low tunnel plastic, so I just really want to go in and find out. Let's check it out. Well, it's definitely much colder in here than it is in the high tunnel, but I am happy to see the kale still looks great. The spinach still looks good. The spinach is wilted, but that's just because it's frozen right now. Once it warms up, the leaves, they'll perk back up. They won't look so wilted. So the spinach and kale, they will be fine for right now. I'm actually pretty surprised to see that the cabbage still looks like it's alive. I wasn't expecting it to really survive these cold temperatures, but it looks like it might come out of it too once it warms up. And actually, even the bok choy out here looks better than the bok choy in the high tunnel. Many of the plants actually look a lot better out here than the high tunnel. That's probably because the low tunnel here, it's sealed up really nicely. There's really no breezes or air movement getting in here, and unlike the high tunnel, which leaks like crazy, there's a lot of air that moves in and out. And so again, low tunnel, very happy with what's going on here. I look forward to when it warms up and we will actually see what will come out of this frozen state that we're in. So that's the update for today. There's really nothing going on right now. It's too cold to harvest anything, and it's just, you don't really want to be outside right now, but just wanted to come out, check things out, and see how things look in the high tunnel, in the low tunnel. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and keep on growing. We'll catch you later.